All right, guys, I'm here with brother Zach. How you doing, bro?
Hey man, how's it going, guys?
It's a beautiful view, guys. Check this out. We're here at a place called Muanghua. It is a place where you can have like foot massages, and they've got like a herbal bath here that we're gonna take, a herbal bath and sauna, overlooking this beautiful view, this beautiful valley. We actually came down here yesterday, if you remember. We came down through here and we flew the drone just over here. But this is beautiful, and the clouds are just gone in front of the sun, unfortunately. But I'll show you guys around this place. Check out this little kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. A little kitten. But this is a beautiful view, guys. Check out all these tables and that over here. Hey, kitty. Look at the little kitten. Oh, there's the mummy. The mummy and the kitten. Hey, mummy. Mummy kitty. She likes that. Anyway, let's check out the vibes. Look at this, guys. All made out of wood. Beautiful. Wood from the local area. And it's quite strong. Look at the vibes. This is a balcony. I think that's actually a fish farm down there. Fish farm, the stream. You got all the rice paddies over there. Guys, check out these Maori tikis. They look like Maori tikis. They're Vietnamese ones, guys. That one's got only 2 teeth. Buck teeth. All right, guys, I'm here in the massage room. This is the massage room where you get your massage in there, but unfortunately they can't do a massage because of the CV. Instead, we are allowed to have a bath right next to this view here. Look at that view out there, guys. Fantastic. And the stuff they use in the bath is red tobacco. It's a very special kind of red tobacco that they grow here in this area of Sapa. And they reckon the tobacco rejuvenates your body, it strengthens your body, gives you more energy, makes you look younger, and tightens your skin, and any like problems you have with muscles and stuff like that are pretty much healed. So this is the stuff that they put in here. I'm not even sure where it is. I think this is some of the stuff down here in this garden. But look at that view, $1 million view. All right, I'm gonna get ready to jump in here, guys. Be back in a sec. Just gonna get changed. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. You can actually see the redness, the red tobacco in here. Amazing. Awesome. Nice and relaxing. And look at that view, guys. Look at that view. Awesome view. Anyway, guys, good to just be chillaxing here in Sapa, taking in the vibes. We're allowed to have a 30-minute bath here, and a 30-minute bath takes roughly around costs around 150,000 dong, which is pretty cheap. I mean, it's like about $7 or $8, which is really good. But I mean, look at that view. Check out the view. In the garden. I wonder what some of these plants are. I think those are pumpkins over there. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So I am just chillaxing here in this beautiful bath, looking at that view. $1 million view. I've been here for a couple of days and I have not seen the top of Sapa mountain, Fansipan. Fancy Palm Mountain. I haven't seen the top of Fancy Palm Mountain yet. The clouds are just there all the time, 24/7. 24/7. Yeah. But I really needed this. You know, good to just relax, rejuvenate the body, do a bit of meditation here in the nature vibes. I think it's a really important thing to do. And plus the temperature here is really cool. It's around about 22 degrees now. If I was back in Hanoi, it's about 38, heating up to 40 degrees there, which is super duper hot. Super duper hot. So I'm glad I'm actually here, and you know, the nature vibes. Look at that. Unbelievable nature vibes, guys. Bit of a stream just down here. And look at all the Hmong people's homes over there. And up on the mountains. Beautiful, beautiful. So for a bath here, it's around about 150,000 dong, which works out to be about $8 US, and I think roughly $10 New Zealand for about half an hour, which is pretty cool. I think that's really good. You just chillax here. And unfortunately they can't do the massages because they've got the massage beds right there because of the CV. But instead, we're happy to just get like one of these baths here, man. It's so relaxing. You could actually fall off to sleep. Fall off to sleep. Look at the water. Look at the feet. Watch out, there's an anaconda in here. These guys. Anyway, yeah, I've had an awesome time here in Sapa. Tomorrow we're going to check out a couple of valleys, which lies a little bit towards the north of Sapa. It's kind of like a couple of hours drive there, so we're going to hit the motorbikes there, but it also depends on the weather. Now tomorrow it's going to be fine, a little bit of cloud, but I'm happy to go and check out some more of the area, especially up around those valleys. I love the valleys. The valleys are like awesome here, and the people here are very, very friendly, and they always smile, even if they've got like a 20 kg pack of like corn on the man. They just smile, you know. So we bought some candy yesterday and we were handing it out to a lot of the local kids around. You know, they really enjoyed it. You could see the smile on their face, which is really good. They are really appreciative of the little things that they do have. What little they have, they appreciate, and that's a really awesome thing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it a day and just chillax here. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We will see you guys on the next one. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. Peace.